Hi viewers, welcome to yet another edition of Word and Expression of the Week on BDNP. I'm Bafo. If you're not familiar with Nigerian Pidgin English, the word waiting can be mistaken for the verb waiting in the present progressive tense, especially when speaking English with a full-blown Nigerian accent. Waiting in Nigerian Pidgin English simply inscribes the meaning what in English, originally stemming from what thing, waiting. It is one of the most common words you'll hear in Nigerian Pidgin English used in different contexts. Waiting is our word for this week on Word and Expression of the Week on BDNP. Check out some examples of how it is used. Wetin be your name? Wetin una dey do here? Wetin be your own? Abi na wetin? Wetin I fit do for you? Wetin she wan ask me last night? Wetin be the time? Oops, I guess my time is up. See you guys next week on yet another edition of Word and Expression for the Week on BDNP. I'm Bafo. Peace is in.